people, animals, nature, PAN. Pessoas, Animais, Natureza, People, Animals, Nature, is an animal welfarist party which advocates for animal rights and protection under the law, moving towards an environmentally friendly economy, the abolition of bullfighting, and promoting a more eco-friendly lifestyle for people, such as healthy non-carnivorous diets, the promotion of organic products, and the progressive elimination of mass poultry egg production. Founded in 2009 as the Party for the Animals, PAN is one of the few political animal rights parties to achieve electoral success. PAN elected its first representative in the 2011 Madeira regional elections. In 2014, the party became Pessoas, Animais, Natureza, making explicit their socially liberal strand. In the 2015 general election, PAN became the newest party to enter the Portuguese parliament and the second animal welfare party in Europe to gain national parliamentary representation. Recently, PAN won one seat in the 2019 European Parliament elections, a result that exceeded the expectations of the public and professional opinion writ large. The party's current leader is the 43-year-old André Silva. He's a civil engineer specializing in architectural and artistic heritage. He was once the vice president of the Linha SOS Estudante, a suicide prevention academic association in Coimbra, where he graduated from his studies. He joined PAN in 2012, integrating its National Political Commission in 2013, and became the leader of the party in 2014. He later became the first ever elected PAN MP in 2015. PAN is one of the founding parties of the European animal rights movement Animal Politics EU. It currently sits with the Greens European Free Alliance Group.